Hey, I'm Cube Monkey. Nice to see you. In case you're wondering why my name is Cube Monkey, it's because I'm a cheeky monkey solving Rubik's Cubes. And I have a Rubik's Cube right here and a timer. And I can solve a Rubik's Cube in under a minute, maybe even in under 50 seconds. And I'll prove it to you. I'll inspect the cube first. Right, 3, 2, 1. And I got a time of 42.92 seconds, which is really good. It is under 50 seconds. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any future content. And I'll be posting videos of me trying different cheese sauces and you don't want to miss that.